Hey guys, Christy here, and I wanted to just do a real quick video to give you an overview of how to start building a Canva website. And it's going to depend on whether you're starting from scratch or if you're starting from a template. Now, if you're starting from scratch, just building a website, all you would have to do is click on Create a Design and then just type in website. And then there, it'll have different types of websites, but you can just type on website and then that'll give you the right dimensions for your website. All right, now the way that I recommend you start, especially if you're new at designing websites, is just to start with a template. It's going to make your life so much easier, and then it's just a matter of putting your spin on it and your branding and making it your own. So what I would do, you have two options. You could search for one here in the Canva library. And so you would type in UGC website portfolio. All right. Now you're not going to look under projects. These are my own projects, but you want to see templates from the library. So go ahead and click on UGC portfolio website templates. And then it'll come up with this selection of templates that you can choose from. So I'm just going to pick this first one here and say, okay, yeah, that looks good. And then it always brings up some that look like it that you might also be interested in. But let's just go ahead and say customize this template. And so then that's going to open up this, looks like it has 10 pages for this particular website template. You could always click on the bottom grid view here, and then you can see all the pages. But it looks like I'm going to go back to design. There we go. Okay, it has 10 pages here to choose from. So it has this first page here, and then what we would do is add a page, and then you can choose which of these templates you want to add. All right, so that's basically how to build it as far as just adding the pages. Click add a page, let's talk, click add a page, price list, whatever you decide you want to add into this. All right, so that's how you actually build, or at least create the what I call a wireframe or a template for your website. And now the other way, which is I think I preferred because there's more options, is to go to Etsy. So what I did here is I typed in UGC portfolio template, and I don't know what's coming on with that. All right. And then it shows all these different options. And I mean, there is a ton of them. And it's not anything expensive. I mean, you've got one for like $7, $8 or less. You have all these different kinds, and it can, depending on if you want something more minimal or you want something bright and pink and girly looking, or you just kind of want something more artistic, you are bound to find one here that is going to suit you. All right, so that is what I did, and I'm going to show you the original of the website that I picked, which is this. So this is the template. It was actually a 3-pack, but this is one of the ones that I got from this seller on Etsy. And as you can see, it has all these pages that you can just kind of plug and play with. So that is how to get started, picking your design, picking your template. And then in the next videos, we're going to go into actually designing and how it works inside the Canva websites. All right, so I'll see you on the next video.